morning, everybody. The postman has just dropped off my So Sampler subscription box, which I'm super excited about. This is May's box, and I'm in Australia, so it takes about 10 days to get to me. I know that a lot of the Americans have already received theirs, and obviously that some of them have also done their review on it and what's in the box this month. But for our Australian viewers, this is what I get each month. This one would be my favourite one. I'm doing a future video with comparing each of the boxes. I've got about 4 or 5 of them coming, and they're all quilting related, so I'll be doing a comparison video on those. I'm just waiting on a couple more to arrive, which they're taking their time. So basically this is the So Sampler one from the Fat Quarter Shop. I pay about $54 to my door. That's, as I said, to my door, including shipping. I've just opened it up. I haven't had a look in it yet, so I'm very excited to see what's in it. So I'm going to just open it up, and it's called Be Creative. So that's the little cover that we have for it. And it comes with a little card telling me everything that you get in it, and usually tells you how much everything is as well. But I think they've actually stopped doing that. I noticed in the last month it didn't have it either. So it's called Be Creative, and the box has a value of over $65. Now I'm assuming that that is American dollars, because this is from America. As I've said in past videos, we don't have them here that I know of here in Australia. So I'm going to open it up and have a look what else we've got in there. Oh, awesome. I can always do with some extra rulers. So we've got a 4.5 by 8.5 inch ruler. It's a turnaround creative grid non-slip. It's made in America, and it's a non-slip one as well, so that's awesome. I can always do with more rulers, and I love creative grid rulers. They're always a good ruler. We also have a... what's this one called? This is called, it's from Moda, and it's called a Jolly Bar, and it is 5" by 10" squares. They can't be squares if they're 5" by 10", but anyway, they must be rectangles. Anyway, I'm going to have open that up and have a look and see what it looks like. It's by Pepper and Flax by Corey Yoda, and I assume that that is the lady that has designed it. Pepper and Flax. Okay, so that's the name of the... oh, I'm liking it a lot. Okay, I'm loving these colours. So yeah, they're 5" by 10" rectangles, and you can see there's some gorgeous fabrics in that. That's absolutely beautiful, and I'm loving the colorways in it. It's just some of my favorite colors there that go together. I love yellow and grey together. It's just a gorgeous fabric. So that is absolutely gorgeous. So it's got a little bit of information about it. Oh, it's got a little quilt pattern in with it. Awesome. It's an exclusive pre-cut for the Fat Quarter Shop. It's called a Jolly Bar. It is a Moda fabric, and basically it just okay, so they're proud to introduce 4 new exclusive Jolly Bars with coordinating patterns. So there's a blueprint quilt featuring Harmony by Sweetwater for Moda Fabrics. Curio, I think is how you pronounce it. Curio. Quilt featuring Vintage Holiday by Bonnie Camille. The crossover quilt features Pepper and Flax, which is this one that I've just opened by Corey Yoda for Moda Fabrics, and Stardust features Modern Backgrounds and Colour Box by Zen Chick for Moda Fabrics. So yeah, it just gives you a little rundown of the different patterns, and it gives you the pattern itself. So you can see there's just the crossover pattern. I'm very excited about that. I'm going to have to give that one a go, because I like the look of that quilt and also these colours. So I'm going to roll that back up so I've got it there together. We've got some Aurifil cotton, and they're in a green and a yellow, which match the fabrics that we just got. Oh, cool. Excellent. We've got some little Alphabetties from the Fat Quarter Shop. We've got some numbers. It's got 26 letters and 10 numbers, so that's excellent. I use these all the time. I've got my own that I've made up, but it's nice to have these ones. You always see them on the Fat Quarter Shop YouTube channel, and they always use them, so I'm pretty happy about that. I'll put them aside so they don't get lost. Excellent. Okay, block 2 barn recipe. So that's got all your piecing instructions and how to put it together, how to cut it, and it's by Moda, and it's sponsored by Moda and Aurifil, and this one's block 2. And the Beehive quilt pattern in there as well. And that looks like to be, it's a bonus size option included, and it's using, doesn't say, oh, it's actually using the fabric that they've sent in it. So that's the pattern that we can make with the fabric that they've sent in the box. So looking at that, it is a pretty decent pattern too. It's a good size one too. It's not too bad. And then you can just put a border on it to build it out. So you've got lap borders, twin quilt, and it tells you on the back what you need for each size. So it's excellent. What else do we have? Oh, and you can get 20%. There's also a 20% discount voucher for the Jolly Bars, and you just use that promo code. So that's an awesome little box that we've got here this month. I'm really happy with that. I'm loving the fabric. So it's definitely, for me, I think it's well worth it, because when you consider, you know, you've got your Aurifil threads, you've got 2 of those. Then you've also got your Creative Grids ruler, and here in Australia, our sewing notions can get quite expensive, especially when you're getting a lot of the brand names and whatnot. I just wasn't sure how many were actually in this Jolly Bar. I'll just have a look on the back. It doesn't actually say that I can see anywhere. Here we go. On the card it does. It tells me it's got 42. So it's almost like half a, you may as well say it's like half a layer cake. It's a 5" by 10". So yeah, so basically that's a decent amount of fabric by anybody means. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. And if you wanted to order one of these, I have now joined their affiliate program, and there is an affiliate link underneath this video. But I have been getting these for a long time, and I've recommended them to a lot of people. I think they're really good value for money. Just the little things that I've got in it over time, I've used some of them for giveaways and all that sort of stuff. So I'm pretty happy with this one this month. This was made, as I said, it takes 10 days to get to us. It cost me about $54. And when you consider that layer cakes here in Australia are anywhere from $66 to $74, I've seen them priced at, so that's half of that. So, you know, it definitely is pretty much bang on the money for what I've paid for it, probably a little bit more when you're considering how much patterns and everything cost. So I'm going to set that aside and give that quilt pattern a go. And as I said, if you wanted to order one, you can start ordering now for June's, and I'll put the affiliate link underneath this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this little quick reveal of what's in the May sampler box, and I look forward to doing my next one. For those that don't know, my name's Nicole Reed from Darvanalee Design Studio, and this is the Sew Sampler Monthly Subscription Box Review. Have a great day, everybody. Bye for now.